Ready. Set. Action. Suzuki takes adventure and rough riding to greater heights with the new Suzuki Jimny 5-door. The all-new 5-door design features a longer body and wheelbase. Its off-road heritage is evident in its signature 5-slot front grille with chrome accents that houses its iconic, round LED headlamps. The new Jimny 5-door sits on dynamically forged 15-inch alloy wheels to complement its rugged styling. It features Suzuki's proven 1.5-liter engine, tuned for high torque, off-road driving, and fuel efficiency. Designed to meet the demands of off-road driving in rough terrain, its high-rigidity ladder frame provides a solid foundation for all your adventures. Teamed with rigid front and rear axles, heavy-duty coil springs, and a rugged 3-link design suspension system for excellent road holding and traction. The new Jimny 5-door is equipped with the All Grip Pro 4-wheel drive system with a lower gear transfer case that lets you handle all kinds of terrain. The new Suzuki 5-door is ready for anything. Stay confidently in control under any condition with Hill Hold Assist and Hill Descent Control, and the Electronic Stability Program, or ESP, to prevent wheel slippage. Keeping to Suzuki's promise of safer driving, the new Jimny 5-door is equipped with SRS airbags that deploy to protect the vehicle's passengers in the event of a collision. The new Suzuki Jimny 5-door offers the best in driving visibility. The flat, square shape of the bonnet contributes to heightened situational awareness on uneven ground, providing unobstructed view of the vehicle's full width. And wide side panels and upright A&C pillars offering generous views from every angle, all the way to the rear of the car. Comfort is key with any journey, and the Jimny 5-door is the perfect partner. The new Jimny 5-door is great for long rides, with comfortable ergonomic seats, an easy-to-read cockpit and meter cluster, a sporty steering wheel with audio switches and cruise control, and strategically positioned USB socket, charging port, and front console box. The display audio system has a customizable touch panel that lets you view vehicle information. Smart connectivity using Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keeps you connected throughout your journey. The Suzuki Jimny 5-door is designed to fit your life, from daily necessities to weekend recreation. The cargo hold extends all the way through for maximum capacity. The Suzuki Jimny 5-door. The legend continues.